Hey YouTube, I am at AOAA with Offroad Consulting, and we are on the second half of the day. This is Trail 22. We are headed in the direction of finding some rocks. So basically, in that part of the map, we're in the kind of the center right side, right below Anthracite Road, and everything below Anthracite Road, like I've explained before, is where the mountains are. So we are headed slightly up toward 39, which is where we're going to stop to eat at. 39 is a blue trail that is basically between the BA trail and Barney Rubble, essentially. So anyway, that's where we're at, and we are going to head 22 and then make that left to go up 28, and then I believe we kind of go in a little loop type thing you can see on the map. Hey YouTube, so we ran into a couple Jeeps, we went up and checked on them, and they're going to move out of the way and let us by. It's pretty awesome. But that's the etiquette. You normally just go up and talk to the guys and then, or women, and then figure out who can move, and they're going to move for us, so it's pretty awesome. Hey YouTube, we stopped for lunch. Sorry about the exposure stuff, it's just so bright out here. But you can see all the Jeeps have lined up, and we're being courteous, and we parked off the trail, obviously. And some of us are parked in this forested area that you can see behind me really easily. And there we are right there with Grace. And then everybody else kind of parked out here, and so we have this awesome view. And we're gonna stop for lunch for, I don't know, half an hour or 20 minutes or something, and then we'll continue. So I hope you are enjoying your day. Please like and subscribe. Okay, so like I was saying, we are going uphill, even though it's really hard to tell. And the next video will be the one that is probably mostly devoted to hills and stuff. So this trail here is parallel to Anthracite Road, and essentially, if you don't feel like taking the coal road to get somewhere quickly, you can go up basically one trail that's just kind of partially up the hill. So you can see the grade here pretty easily on the left-hand side of the steepness on how we are starting to actually head up the mountain, so to speak, but we're trying to snake our way around to get to the exact trails that we're wanting to do. So we are turning onto Trail 28, also known as Renee's Hill 28C. It's the red at the bottom is Axe Bender, that's closed, but the blue line going up and down is where we're at. And just so the internet, please don't get too mad. This is not Renee's Hill. This is 28A. This is the access road to Renee's Hill on 28C. The blue part is Renee's Hill, but it's still a neat hill climb that we're doing to get to Boy Scout, essentially.
Hey YouTube, we are on Trail 28 again. When I say again, we were here yesterday, obviously. This is the trail that leads up to Renee's Hill and Zach's Bender. We're obviously probably going to go and do Boy Scout is my guess, because we're, you know, that's pretty much the only thing that you can do besides Renee's Hill. And we're on a green group. So we will see you guys shortly. Please like and subscribe.